name's Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great song from the late 50s called Bye Bye Love. Of course, it was made famous by the Everly Brothers. Written by Boudleaux and Felice Bryant, Bye Bye Love peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1957. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. And in addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know, and then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a classic rock song from the 50s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 3 simple chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a D major. You're going to need to know an E chord. And then we'll round things off with an A. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
My baby with someone new. She sure looks happy, I sure am blue. She was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. Through with romance, I'm through with love, I'm through with counting the stars above. And here's the reason why I'm so free. My loving baby is through with me. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's get to the chord progressions of this great song. We're going to break this into 3 parts. We're going to start with a look at the chorus. This song is a rarity. It actually starts with the chorus and then goes into the verses. Then, of course, we're going to have a closer look at the verse. Then we'll finish things off with a look at that intro that I incorporate into the acoustic lounge version of this great song. With that, let's start with this chorus. Okay, starting on the D chord, the chorus goes something like this. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, happiness. Hello, loneliness. I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye, sweet caress. Hello, emptiness. I think I'm gonna die. Bye-bye, love, goodbye. And then that takes you into the verse. Let's have a look now. Okay, the verses, they start on the E major chord, and they go something like this. There goes my baby with someone new. She sure looks happy, I sure am blue. She was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance, what might have been. And that's it. Very, very easy. With that, let's finish things off with a closer look at that opening. Okay, the acoustic lounge version of that opening riff is different than the original by the Everly Brothers. They're doing something far more complicated. As I've seen some live videos, one of them is using a capo on their guitar, and that just, you know, when you get all of that into the mix, it can make it a bit more challenging. As I do from time to time, I will take a part of a song and try to simplify it so it's easier for beginners to pick up. And that's just what I've done here with this song. I use 3 chords. That's a basic A chord. And then I use something called a power chord. I use a C and a D power chord. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with it, it's just really encompasses 3 strings that you're hitting as opposed to a full-on chord. So in this case, what I've done here is a C chord is you go to the C note, which is 3rd fret of the 5th string. And then really what you do is with your 3rd and pinky, you're going to go to the 5th fret and you're going to go to the 4th and 3rd string. So really all you're plucking is the 5th, 4th, and 3rd. And that's a power chord. Now, keeping that same finger shape, I basically jump up to the 5th fret to the D. And that's really it. So let's slow it down a little bit. That's really all I do, and it gets the message across. There you have it. Bye Bye Love by the Everly Brothers. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. The more subscribers I get, the more YouTube will play my videos. With that, until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.